Hi, today we're talking about a new template that is product purchase tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all the purchases of the products in your business. So as you can see, we have got a database at the bottom which lists all the purchases of the products one by one, and we can find the product details, the purchase date, the vendor details, payment method used, the delivery status, and all the information that you would usually need. And if you scroll to the top, you can see the exact database summarized as per different views. So first we have all the purchases that has been made, which is the same view that you can see over here. And then we have got a category section. So as per different categories of products that have been purchased, we have outlined the entire database into different categories. Then we have pending deliveries. So all the deliveries which are pending and not yet fulfilled are reflected over here. Then we have the view as per the different vendors. So as per the different vendors from whom you have purchased, you can see over here. Then there is high cost purchases. So for this, we have defined the total cost if it is greater than 50. As you can see over here, then those purchases have been mentioned over here. You can play around with the settings and requirements for this template, and you can make the template as per your own needs. But this is just a simple template for a use case. Besides this, I also want to talk about PDF output. PDF output is a new tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes Google Document as a source of a template file where you can define the PDF document, and it requires the help of a Google Sheet or a Notion database. You can use either of these, which acts as a source of the database that you can replace on the Google Document and generate bulk PDF documents. I've added a video for how you can exactly do this for invoices in your business. Watch this video and you can understand more about the process of how you can do the same, and you can take help of PDF output for a use case. Reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. This is where I can assist you with any queries or any issues that you might have, and I'll be happy to help you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day.